These are going to be the elevators at the beautiful historic Brown Hotel in Louisville, Kentucky. Look at this beautiful lobby. It's gorgeous. We're gonna ride these elevators, which I'm not sure what these were originally, but these were modded by Murphy Elevator. I saw these on their site. No chime. Beautiful cabs. I'm guessing they are original, or at least from the previous mod. All right, let's go down to basement. Basement's locked. Well, we can go up to 16. These are fast for the height. Well, not the fastest I've seen, but they go at a pretty good speed. Let's go back down to B, or 1. Let's get a view of the cab. Very nice cab. Doors wobble a bit. And the cabs do shake a bit, but other than that, they run excellent. Hello, there's me in the mirror. And at classic levels, very rare do you ever see that in a modern elevator. Back up to 16. Innovation Circle Premier fixtures. Piano up here. Wow. Let's get a look out up here. There's some old photos up here. It's an old piano, which doesn't work. Got bathrooms up here, it looks like. That's locked. But you can get a view of some of downtown Louisville. Very beautiful. I'm guessing this is like kind of like a ballroom of some sort. There's the Hayburn building. And not much else to see. All right. We will take one of these down. Hello.
How you doing?
Don't leave. Generic ECI or GAL interlocks. 1. This cab's darker than the other one. My ear actually just popped. And we'll get off here and get a look at the lobby and end it there. And anyways, there it goes. And there's the restaurant where the famous hot brown was invented, here at this hotel. And there's like an old grand staircase. Love to walk up here, see what's here. And that's gonna be it.